Hello, my name is Matty from Carlisle Audi, and today I'm going to give you a tour around this approved used Audi Q5 S-Line, finished in a very sleek Daytona grey. It's a 2-litre diesel, but an S-tronic gearbox. It does come equipped with an optional folding tow bar. Exterior features do include the LED daytime running lights. This was a 19-inch 5 twin-spoke star design alloys, really complementing the sporty exterior styling. And to finish the exterior off, you've got the rear privacy glass there, working well with the grey finish. Very practical amount of boot space, no trouble fitting any luggage, shopping or prams in. As we make our way onto the interior now, you've got that leather and Alcantara finish. Central armrest does fold down nice and easily, and you've also got a climate control panel there as well. Stylish yet sporty finish on the dashboard, as well as having the front sport seats for the S-Line embossing, which grip you very nicely to drive. These do come equipped with a 4-way electric lumbar support for added comfort. You've got your full electric windows, as well as your electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors. All your lighting controls there as well. And onto your leather multifunctional steering wheel. Now on the left hand side, you've got your display controls, on the right you've got your Bluetooth and audio. Your cruise controls located just behind the steering wheel there. So making our way on up to the Audi virtual cockpit now. On here you can access a huge range of multimedia features, all with a touch of a button. Also adding a personalised touch to the vehicle, which is always nice to have, I'm sure you'll agree. Onto your central touchscreen display now. On here you've got access to your DAB radio, AM and FM, as well as having your Apple CarPlay there. I will insert a link to a video previously done on how you would set this up. It does allow features such as Spotify, navigation, calls and text to be displayed on screen. Moving on from this, you've got features such as your Audi Drive Select, all dependent on your preference and terrain. Always nice to have an option, as this is a quattro, it will handle any terrain with ease. Bluetooth connectivity, and your navigation can be accessed with a touch of a button. Perfect venturing out and about, nice and easy to use, very responsive. For those who do struggle with parking, you've got the rear view camera, which works in hand with your front and rear parking sensors. Moving down now, got 3-zone climate controls, got dual zone in the front, rear passengers have their own as well. Front seated seats keep you nice and warm. Start stop, S-tronic gearbox, just fantastic, and your leather centre armrest with storage underneath there as well. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please contact one of our sales team now. Thank you.